Hello, my name is Matt List, and currently I'm a student at Cal State San Bernardino, studying for my Master's of Science in Entrepreneurship and Innovation degree. The first semester, our professor asked us to come up with a new and creative and innovative idea, and that's when I came up with 1Knock. 1Knock is an app that will help assist the vulnerable population in many different ways, such as finding food, shelter, and medical care within our communities. And now that phones are much more accessible throughout the community with the Public Commissions Program and the community partners, 1Knock is just a tap away within our communities to help the vulnerable population. During my first semester of improv class, I had a thought. How is this going to help me as an entrepreneurship student and business owner? Then I realized the creative space it opened up for me, which then led me to find myself awake at 4 a.m. with a creative app and an idea that would only be a tap away from food, shelter, and medical care for the homeless to find within their community. Competing in the Garner Holt 90-second fast pitch competition once again opened up in me a newfound creative space that helped me take second place in the competition at Cal State San Bernardino. In the second semester, I took a class called Resources of an Entrepreneur, which helped me build out the business model for 1Knock. Without a business plan, a creative idea would be just that, an idea. And through this class, I learned that the business model is key to building out an idea, and which then led me to an innovation challenge where I led our team to take second place in the competition. Currently, as a local insurance business owner, this program has really helped me to further develop my financial skills in analyzing my current business, my communication skills, and perhaps the most important one of all, my passion for developing an app called 1Knock that will help serve our communities in solving homelessness for the 152,000 people that find themselves in a situation of vulnerability with their housing, food insecurities, and the lack of medical care within our state and our country. Thank you for allowing me to share 1Knock with you today and the impact of one tap can have on someone's life.